Okay, so what we're looking at right now is a broken head sprinkler head actually right here. And I already dug around here around the sprinkler head so we can see if we can pop that out, but I wanted to show you that what it's doing real quick. Here we have the Rainbird controller, and this is actually will turn on the zone, which we already have it at zone 5, so we will turn that on to see what the sprinkler is actually doing. And we're going to go back and see what it's doing right now. As you can see here, we have a broken sprinkler head that I'm going to do some repair to. So we're going to go ahead and turn that off. So we're going to dig around the sprinkler head, give some space in there to make sure we can get the actual sprinkler head off. Just got to be careful not to break the line or anything like that. And these usually can just twist off real easy, but you got to be careful not to get dirt in there. So we're gonna get all the dirt out of there. Little shovels come in handy to safely dig around. You can see that that's actually just coming off pretty easy right there. It looks like a pretty clean area. So there's the old sprinkler head, so we're going to go ahead and replace that. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we got to replace this part. This is an extension right here, and we're going to put it over to this side. Make sure it's nice and tight. And then we're going to put it back in this hole over here. So that's actually nice and tight there. I'm going to check it out, see if it works. As you can see, now we have a perfectly working sprinkler head.